So the Windows desktop is crashing on this computer, and this requires the small little Lenovo power cord. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel. So the problem we're having here is the Windows, the actual desktop on this is crashing. So hopefully I can fix it. Oh, notifications. Lots of notifications. I need to go grab the power cord for this here in a second. A power cord. Those are those Windows notifications I'm always warning people about. Good morning, Matt. It's not a virus. Alright, so here's what we just did. We disabled everything starting up and we shut down all services. So we disabled everything starting up. And we shut off all non-Microsoft services. Let's see if that has any effect on this. Please open Task Manager. Thank you. Alright, let's run a SFC scan now next, because that's clearly not working. See if this does anything. Alright, now we're going to try and see if it's our registry key. See if that fixed it. No, it did not. You poor child. So, here's what's crashing this dude's computer and causing that loop. If you ever have a situation where your Windows desktop is loading up and then immediately crashing like this, there's a couple things it could be. One of the things you want to try and do is when it's doing this, quickly right-click on the desktop, view, show desktop icons, and get it turned off. Because more than likely what's happening is it's trying to load up too many things. You showed I missed it. Because it's trying to load up too much information and the desktop is just like, no, I don't know what to do with this. Show desktop icons and then we'll leave it there for a second. So here's what we'll do. We're going to come here, open this up, desktop, new. We're going to go new folder, call it desktop items. And we'll just grab all of this stuff. So the reason this is more than likely crashing is because this, like, the Windows desktop has to load up all of these items. And if one of them is a problem, problems beget problems. And I think I know which item it is. I think it is this very top item that is a shortcut item. I think it is this. This shortcut right here. We'll see here. Alright, let's turn it back on and see if it starts crashing again. So look at that. We moved all of those items into a folder, and we seem to be humming along quite nicely now. There we go. Let's give it a restart just to verify. Alright, moment of truth. too many desktop items.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.